We're out in the Sterling Meadows community in Van Alstyne. This available home by Stonehollow Homes is under construction with 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a 3-car garage. Let's take a look. Through the entryway, this is a temporary door while it's under construction. This will be a nice tall door once it's installed. Chandelier in the front entry. Over here, you have a hall linen closet with a hall full bath, tub shower, dual sinks in the vanity, window out to the side yard next to the toilet space. Continuing down the hall, you have the front bedroom, dual windows with the top curvature, and double doors into this closet. Let's continue down the main hall. Next up on the right, you have double doors into the study, window out to the side yard, double doors into the closet, and a nook back here where you can set up some cabinetry. There's also power if you want to set up a lamp. On the opposite side of the hall, you have a hall closet. Next to your laundry room, hookups for your washer dryer over here, rack and shelf above, and over here, there's piping for a utility sink with a window at the end. Next up, you have your 3-car garage. Opposite of the garage and laundry room, you have a hall full bath, sink, toilet space, and then your shower. And at the end of this hall is the next bedroom. 2 windows out to the side yard and a walk-in closet. 3 sets of racks and shelves. Continuing back down the main hall, it opens up into your main living space. Open floor plan design. Over here is your fireplace and mantle. Cat 6 and power along this wall. Multiple windows letting in natural light from your covered back patio, looking out to your beautiful tree line out the backyard. That flows over to your dining space. Windows surrounding, letting you look out at the trees, your backyard, side yard, plenty of light coming in as you eat. Over here is a side door out to your side yard. And that flows into your kitchen. Large kitchen island. Over here will be your dishwasher on the right side. Large single basin sink. On the opposite side, you have your updraft and your stove. Below the stove, you have 2 large drawers. Over here, you have your microwave and oven next to your walk-in pantry. Wrapping around, you have extra counter space and storage above and below, next to your fridge space. And on this side of the kitchen island, you have plenty of space for your knees while sitting on stools. And below, you have additional cabinet storage. If you want more of an idea of how the kitchen design looks, take a look at this video. Continuing across the main living space, you enter the primary suite. Curvature to your windows, looking out to the backyard, as well as the side yard with 2 windows on this wall. Continuing down the primary suite's hall, you have split primary closets, one on this side with racks and shelves all the way around. Getting a little dark as it's all under construction. And on the opposite side, you have a mirror of the other closet. Continuing down the hall, it opens up to the primary bathroom. Over here, you have a walk-in shower. In the walk-in super shower, you have 2 temperature handles for your 2 shower heads. Back here before you actually get into the water stream. And over here, You have plenty of counter space on either side of the first sink, and still a good amount of space on either side of your second sink. Back here is your toilet room. And over in this corner, you have your linen closet. Let's head outside. Both exterior doors to the backyard as well as the side yard have the built-in blinds. Heading out to the back covered patio, you have vaulted ceiling with lights built in. Looking out to your backyard with the tree line. Space to plant flowers and hang out on nice summer nights. If this home and community interests you, reach out and let's make your dream home a reality. Let's take a look at Van Alstyne's historic downtown.